Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, how to use X and Y coordinates to click on an element in Selenium. Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. So we can use this command, that is move to element from actions class. Okay, to this command, we have to pass the element and we have to pass the X and Y coordinates on that particular element. Okay, it's not at the page level, it's on the element level, and which X and Y position on this particular button we have to click or perform the operation we have to mention, and after that dot click and all you can mention. Okay, let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have the sample Selenium automation code, which is already written for opening the Chrome browser, then maximizing the browser. And here we need to open the application URL. I'll open the browser and open this application URL. Copy this URL and paste it here. Okay, once the application URL is opened. So what I would like to do here is, I would like to create an object for the actions class. Actions is equal to new actions. Since actions is equal to new actions. And I'll pass the driver here. Semicolon, import these actions. Then I have to say actions dot move to, okay, move to element, this one with X and Y offsets. Okay, just here we have to provide the web element. Okay, so what is the web element? Let's say this is the button. This button is the web element. Okay, so when I inspect this button, I would like to click on this button, and on this button, by providing some X and Y offsets, okay, from the left and right corner of this button, in which position of this button you want to click. Okay, that actually is X and Y offsets. So I'll copy this ID locator of this button and create a web element, driver.find element by dot ID, and provide the web element of that particular button. Put a semicolon, and here I'll say button. Okay, so hold the mouse and say create local variable web element got came, and this button I'll pass it here, and here I have to provide the X offset. So on this button, X offset, X is like horizontal. Okay, a lot of width is there, so I'll just give something like some 7. Okay, and height is bit less, so I'll just better give something like 3 or something. Dot click dot click dot build dot perform. Okay, like this, using the X and Y offsets. Okay, using the X and Y offsets here. How to use X and Y offsets to click on an element? That is a proper question actually. Okay, then run it Java application. Let's see, it has to click on the button. Okay, using the X and Y given offsets, X and Y offsets. Let's wait for the page to load. You see, the button has been clicked using its X and Y offset, and we got this alert. So this alert proves that the button has been clicked. Okay, how can we prove that the button has been clicked? When you click on this button, you are getting an alert. Since we got the alert during the Selenium automation, it proves that using the X and Y offsets, we're able to click on the button. Okay, so hope guys you got the answer for this question, how to use X and Y offsets to click on an element. Using this command of actions class move to element, where we have to pass the element and its X and Y offsets at which locations on this button we have to click. That X is the horizontal position of the button and Y is the vertical position inside the button. Okay, so that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.